Happy New Year!
Where's your Happy New Year?
Alright guys, kain na na. Ayan na, yung ating mga paboritong pagkain sa bagong taon. Ayan si Kuya Gigi, mahilig sa rice. Ayan ang kanyang rice, kadami ah. Si Gian ay spaghetti. Boom! Ayan, si Mami, sapsoy.
Ano ko? Anong hinahanap mo?
Si Yara ay egg ang hinahanap.
Egg and shrimp.
Egg and shrimp?
Yeah. That's mushroom. Daddy cut and shrimp is your favorite.
Parang inubos mo na.
Yeah, it's your favorite.
So yummy.
Oh, inubos mo na.
Oo, kinain ka na lahat. Wala nang egg eh.
Nasaan na ang egg na to? Yan na. Nawala.
Let me see. Look. Let me do
Si
it.
Yummy Gigi.
Dito ah.
Gigi, si Yummy.
Hey, give me pack my egg.
Hi, I found that already.
Wow.
But
Alright guys, so makikain na rin tayo dahil gutom na tayo. Ayan na, masarap to eh. Ayan, paborito. Walang sabaw.
hey, where's my shrimp?
Sabaw.
Do not eat the lobster. No. Yeah, only vegetable. and corn.
Vegetable.
Yeah, only for you, vegetable.
What if mommy will eat the lobster?
Pahingi tayo ng sapsoy, Mami. Pahingi ako ng sapsoy.
Kumuha kaya doon ang serving.
Broccoli. Huwag yung samang shrimp.
Hey,
Ay, may shrimp.
I found more eggs.
May shrimp.
Thank you.
Yes, go wash your hands.
I wash my hands in the
Tama na.
bathroom. Mommy, can you get that one?
Kain tayo ng
Mommy, I want this one.
tahong, pusit, tsaka sapsoy, lobster. Yan, lobster natin. Sarap.
Oh, well, how we already ready? Yeah.
We're at our home.
Let me cook more food. Cook a lot and then a lot of money there.
Kuha tayo ng lobster. Ang laki ng lobster ah.
Yeah, look. There's a shrimp in there. Hey! Give me some. Give me some.
Yes, sir.
I want some. Lobster.
Okay, ito ng lobster namin.
Give me.
Ay, hindi pala nabiyak ang gitna nito.
Make it eat it.
Lobster king.
Biniak.
Daddy, make it eat it.
Hindi, ibig sabihin biyakin ng ano.
Papa.
Yara oh.
Oh, thank you so much.
How about me?
Hindi na ako makakain nito. Taga-balat na lang ako. Anong mali ko?
No, Daddy, huwag na siya mali mo. Mom, I can't.
Wow.
Yeah.
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 Wow.
Sarap-sarap.
Whoa, what is this?
Sarah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Daddy.
Oh, sorry.
Thank you, Daddy, for the. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy, for the food.
Welcome.
Thank you, God.
Thank you, Papa.
Yeah, you forgot to pray.
Nah.
Oh, you prayed at the house, but not here? Oh my God. Yeah, do you know Tita and Tita watching the video? And you say net to pray? No, Tita already hear that.
Harap ka eh.
Any more shrimp? There we go.
Perfect.
Stop.
For me, bro.
What
Why are you eating everything?
I think that is monster.
Pinuho na lahat ng shrimp nito eh. Wala na eh. Gusto pa binabibidyo ang sarili niya.
Oh, huwag kang magsalita dyan!
At bakit? Pag ikaw nagsasalita, makawan mo ang pagsalitaan? Haba-haba ang shell.
Yan, oh, ito. Yan, ayan. Ice. Head. Ano ba yan? Balat?
No, it's that one is a jelly.
Nag-aaway pa ang dalawa.
So guys, titikman na naman namin ni Gian ang crab. Ito yung aming
Crab! It's crab!
crab ni Kantoy Kanoy.
Crab ng Kantoy Kanoy.
Kaya na, Gian. Ay, hindi siya masyadong mataba.
Ay, siya na mataba ay.
Ang laman niya.
Walang laman, no?
Where's the one?
Wala yung yellow.
Where's the yellow, orange?
Wala eh.
Why?
Ay, kaunti. Yun, no? Kalaki-laki ng laman eh.
Kalaki-laki na shell.
Kalaki-laki ng shell eh. Walang laman. Sarap. Happy New Year's, guys.
Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year's, guys.
Happy New Year's, guys.
Love you all.
Love you all.
Hindi matangkal.
We're so big.
Wala naman, baby.
Oh.
9:30.
Tata ka.
Ice cream.
Lang mo tumawag eh.
Ayan
Ayan na. Kainan ulit. Ay, ang sarap nga yan.
Ano ba gusto daw?
Oh, yan, oh. Sarap ng bangus. Wow.
Bangus pala to.
Bangus yan, bangus.
Ganda. Yung gumawa nito.
Yung sapsoy.
All $10.
Bangus ni Yolanda.
Ay, sapsoy. Sarap yan.
Gulay.
Shoo!
Sapsoy.
Parang XRM dumali nito ah.
Yung ano? Kanina na naman.
Kainan na naman. Walang tigilan na yan.
Serving spoon. Maglagay tayo.
Kain na kayo. Okay.
Patuloy.
Sarap yan.
Kain na kayo ah.
Kain na ikaw, bebe.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, guys.
New Year.
What's that? Eat mo na.
Huwag nang magmad, ha?
Pilipinas, kanina pa yun.
Ayan, ma'am. Kain pa tayo, ma'am. Aba.
Diet.
Maya-maya ko din sila.
Kain na na. Masarap yan ah.
Kain na kayo ba?
Ito na yun.
Kain na.
Bakit ito na ako ngayon?
Kain, kain.
Kain.
Sarap ang chapsuy. Tsaka inihaw na bangus. Kain tayo, guys.
Ay, ayaw.
Sabi lang nila sa sa movie, dapat ganito dapat.
Ito hindi ganyan kalapit. Layo-layo at makikita ang akin.
Tita, Daddy, have a key.
Kain na kayo. Bahala kayo, magugutom kayo.
Beautiful Yara! Wow, pula-mula ang mukha. Tulad ni Mami. Mapula-pula din ang pisngi. 2, 3, go! Happy New Year! So what's the game?
It's practice time to smack the chicken and Jollibee. If you lose, then no prize. If you win, but it's the practice, remember. But if have we're gonna first McDo is practice.
Okay,
Makdo.
practice.
McDo.
McDo,
Chicken. Jollibee. Jollibee. Chicken. McDo. 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 Jollibee. Chicken. Jollibee. Chicken. Jollibee. McDo. Chicken. McDo. Jollibee. Chicken. McDo. Chicken. Jollibee. 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 Chicken. 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 Jollibee.
Yay! Practice!
Kain mo ng kain eh. Baka makagaling yan. Dili mo. Yan. Laging ready.
Tapos may music sa likod.
Oh, nagpipictura ng tropa.
Go. Excuse me. Baby, smile. Smile.
Yung.
More. Smile. Dali.
Lahat na. Happy New Year!